Hi family and welcome back to Nancy's Cuisine. Hope you all are doing amazing. So fam, today we're going to be doing some fish pie. Let's get right into the recipe. So the first thing we're going to be doing in this recipe is to season our fish with some salt and seasoning cubes and boil it for about 20 minutes. Once your fish is ready, you're going to let it cool completely and then debone it. So this is a moment where your patience is going to be tested because this takes a long time. So make sure that you don't get choked with any bone or anything. You have to take your time and remove every single bone you can see. So fam, once you've deboned your fish, the next thing you want to do is to scatter them into small pieces. So go ahead and use your hands and make sure you have no big pieces of fish. Let's set the fish aside and go ahead and chop all our vegetables. So we have some onions, bell pepper, carrots, green beans, and also some parsley. After chopping our vegetables, we're going to go ahead and add it to the fish and gently mix it until well incorporated. Once that is done fam, we're going to go ahead and add some oil in a saucepan and pour in all that mixture and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. While this is cooking, add in some seasoning cube, salt, ginger, garlic and onion paste, curry powder and white pepper. So fam, we have a few more minutes for our fish to be ready. In the meantime, let's go ahead and make our dough mixture. Add your butter to the flour and go ahead and use your fingers to mix until it becomes flaky. So fam, make sure you're generous with butter because you don't want your fish pie to be so hard. So fam, once that is done, go ahead and add 1 cup of water, a little amount at a time, until you get the right consistency. Let it not be too soft, let it not be too hard. If the mixture gets too sticky, you could put it on your working surface and just gently knead it until the consistency is right. So fam, do not overwork your dough. Just get it to a point where it's smooth enough for you to work. And then at this moment, we're going to cut a little bit at a time, flatten it, fill it up with the fish, and then seal it. So fam, at this moment, we're going to fold our pie, making sure that each end touches the other, using our hands to press tight on the dough and then sealing it completely with a fork. Make sure you seal with the fork on both sides and then you repeat the process till all the dough is finished. So far, we're going to be baking our pies for 25 minutes. But before we do that, we're going to do an egg wash, which is simply adding some water into an egg and beating it, then spreading it with a brush on your pies. So fam, you could do this without poking the holes, like it's totally optional, but I always do it because I feel like it looks more like presentable. And there we go, fam. Our fish pies are ready. Let it cool for about 10 minutes and then we could go ahead and break it open to see how it is inside. And as usual, give yourself a treat. Thank you so much, family, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment below. Take care. I'll see you next week. God bless you. Bye.